With a vision to provide innovative food packaging solutions to various manufacturing units, Mpax Private Limited came into existence in the year 2019. The company is one of the parts of group company of Mahalakshmi Flexible Packaging, established in the year 2002. Mpax is endowed with a sturdy infrastructural unit that comprises modern designing, fabrication, quality testing and allied facilities. The manufacturing unit is spread over a 60,000 square feet area and is equipped with the latest high-tech machinery and equipment with a vision to be the leader in the food packaging business segment. Talking about the production capacity, at present, Mpax is working with approximately 1 million per day capacity and further expanding. Mpax is engaged in manufacturing paper lids, paper rectangular boxes and trays, paper glasses, and there are more to come. Mpax takes you through a journey that begins with a strategically planned venture by Mr. Nitin Maheshwari, the director of the company, who is an electronics and telecom engineer by profession and has 20 years of experience in the same industry. Under his supervision and leadership, the company now stands as an established and fairly renowned brand in the industry of food packaging business, where they believe innovation is the future. Mpax is equipped with a dedicated research and development division comprising experts in the field who constantly improvise and upgrade product offerings and technology assistance. Armed with intuitive business acumen supported by thorough research on potential and future markets, the team focuses on conceptualizing and creating products high on quality and visually appealing. Their packaging products are defined as safe for hot and cold applications. Today, Mpax is the leading manufacturer of high-quality, eco-friendly paper packaging products for hotels, restaurants, QSR or fast food, bakery, sweet shops and other catering establishments. What makes them unique and popular is the way it makes food look stylish and eco-friendly at the same time. In line with the motto and requirement of the environment, Mpax is focused on the latest manufacturing technologies. Quality assured products range, in-depth market understanding, strict quality control process, expert team of professionals, upgraded production facilities, complete customer satisfaction and timely delivery are the few features where Mpax makes a huge difference and stands out in the market. Mpax is certified with ISO, FSC and FSSC, ensuring food safety. The company has its presence in almost 100 cities across India and 12 countries globally and expanding the network with channel partners rapidly. Mpax has a huge list of patrons like Barbecue Nation, TFS, Biryani by Kilo Pan India, Fab Cafe Pan India, Haldiram's and many more. Altogether, with 19 years of company existence, Mpax have around 1,000 clients and portfolios. With a highly dedicated and skilled team of professionals on board, backed with the support of the absolute latest technology, Mpax is continuously paving their way to success.